DecorMatters is run as an augmented reality AR app that redefines how you buy home decor products online. It helps you imagine the home decoration experience here before you actually buy the product using your smartphone camera and the app. The app uses computer vision and image recognition technology to help users envision the way their home will look like with furniture. It's based on a patient-dependent AR technology and artificial. They use artificial intelligence and augmented reality, funded 1.5 million, and investor is Zenstone on this startup.
The next startup is a book AR life. When there is will, there is a way. That's the story of books AR life. The company behind the project came up with the idea while they were in Spain. They took a one-ticket flight to the USA and started working on this amazing project that can bring the stories of books alive through AR. The next startup is a bundle. Bundle came into existence when people started having an interest in cryptocurrency. It is a brainchild of Dmitry Lava who came up with the idea when his family started asking him questions about how they can invest in cryptocurrency. Now, for all those who know a little about crypto, you have to pass through multiple steps invest in it. But bundle lets consumers automatically invest their space change from credit or debit cards.
The next startup is 3DFY. It's the New Zealand-owned business using state-of-the-art digital 3D scanning technology. It develops photorealistic full-color 3D and mini replicas of almost everything, ranging from 3D full body printing to color modeling to human modeling printing. Is augmented reality bootstrapped as funding and also as investors. Grail is the next startup, is industry, medical and healthcare, funding 1.6 billion. Investor Hillhouse Capital Group. Cancer is deadly and Grail knows that. That is why it has come up with solutions to diagnose cancer-related problem at the early stage. No wonder it has received such a heavy amount in funding. One reason for this, the promise of increasing trend of cancer research in any part of the world. China is backing Grail with a huge funds in this regard. The result of profit of this top startup won't be available in 2019 because cancer research is an ongoing process and will probably bear the fruits in the next few years.
Debit card purchases into various forms of cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. The platform combines everyday transactions, including buying coffee or lunch, drilling down to zero, and invest the resulting spare change into cryptocurrency.
is one of the best startups to watch out for. In 2019, it aims to bring cryptocurrency to mainstream banking transaction, being led by a former cryptocurrencies to mainstream banking transaction, being led by a former banking professional. That the startups aims to replace regular currency transaction with the cryptocurrencies. Not so surprisingly, it has got huge funding from consensus that has history of investing in crypto-based companies. Interest is a crypto funding is 15 million, and investor is consensus.
The next startup is Civil. Civil is a community-owned journalism network based on transparency and trust. It's home of growing number of independent newsrooms from around the world. Civil is bringing a change in the way journalism currently works and helps journalists by providing resources and funding to their users. Only time we tell how successful it will become. But with funding of whopping $15 million, we can assume it will be pretty soon.